Seventh graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 24. It says find the simple interest on $940 at 6.5% if the money is left in the bank for, okay. I equals PRT. They're looking for the interest. That's what they're looking for. The interest is the amount of money earned. They give you the principal of $940. That's the original amount invested. Invested or deposited. R is your rate. Your rate will be given as a percent. It's the annual interest rate. You have to write it as a decimal or a fraction to use it in the actual equation, and T is your time in years. All right, so for letter A, first of all, this is not a multiple choice. It's just having you find various amounts of interest. I equals PRT. They're saying find the interest. If the principal was $940, your rate was 6.5%. So your rate is 6.5%. That means 6.5%. Now we'll change this to decimal form, taking away that percent sign, moving that decimal point 2 places to the left. 0.065 is your rate. On your calculator, you could take 6.5 and just divide by 100. So the rate is 0.065. And for letter A, the time is 1 year. What's that interest? So you just take 940 times 0.065, $61.10. 61.1 is what my calculator gave me. So that's $61.10 for 1 year. If I multiply that by 4, I'll get for 4 years. So for letter B, I equals PRT. Again, it's the same principal, $940. Sorry about that. Jumping slides. Same principal, $940. Same rate. 0.065, but now it's for 4 years. So I'll just take my 6110 and multiply it by 4 years. So after 4 years, you will have made $244.40. So that's for the next answer. Letter B is $244.40. All right, let's do letter C for 6 years. I equals PRT. How much interest will you earn on $940? At 0.065 is your rate in decimal form, and now it's for 6 years. And at that point, you will have earned $366.60 interest. All right, for letter D, this is just a little bit more interesting. It's 9 months. You have to write 9 months as years. So if you have 9 months, that's 9 out of 12. If you want to write it as a number of years, you just take it, divide it by 12. 9 divided by 12, 0.75 or 3/4 of a year. So 9 months is 3/4 of a year. Some of you might want to say 0.75 of a year. So for letter D, I equals PRT. Now we still have our $940, 0.065 for our rate, and 9 months is 3/4 of a year. 9 out of 12 months is 3/4 of the year. Some of you might want to call that 0.75. I'm so sorry that I keep jumping slides. 940 times 0.065 times 0.75, or 3/4 of a year. That would be, the calculator says 45.825. So that's about $45.83 interest after 9 months. I'm really sorry. So $45.83 interest for 9 months. For 15 months, again, we have to rewrite that as years. So for 15 months, to write that as years, I'll do 15 divided by 12. 15 divided by 12 is 1 1/4 years. 1 1/4 years, or 1.25 years. 15 months is just a little bit more than a year. So for letter E, I equals PRT. Oh my God, you've got to be kidding me. I have no idea why number 7 I'm having to do 5 examples, but why not? I could see one where we have a number of years, one where I have a number of months, but whatevs. 15/12 is 1.25 years. So for letter E, I equals 940 times 0.065 times how many years? 1.25 years. Let's see what that is. 940 times 0.065 for the rate times 1.25 years. All right, great. The interest after a little more than a year and 3 months, will be 76.375, which says we'll round that to $76.38. $76.38. Really, the key to this is knowing your formula. I equals PRT, knowing I represents the interest you'll earn. P is your original deposit. R is your rate. It will always be given as a percent. Write it as a decimal to use it. And time is measured in years. So if you're given months, convert those months to years before applying the formula. Wow, hope that helps.